Facing issues with the True Tone feature on your iPhone? True Tone adjusts your screen's white balance to match the lighting around you, making the display look more natural. If it's not working or missing, don't worry, it's easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to restore it. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check if True Tone is enabled. Open the Settings app, tap Display and Brightness. Look for the True Tone option. If it's turned off, toggle it on. After that, check if your screen adjusts to your surroundings and True Tone is working. Solution 2. Turn off Night Shift. Open Settings, tap Display and Brightness. Scroll down, select Night Shift. Toggle it off. Solution 3. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings, tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. After that, check if True Tone is working again. Solution 4. Reset all settings. If True Tone is still missing, try resetting all settings. This will reset system settings but won't erase your data. Open Settings, tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, and select Reset all settings. After that, check if True Tone is working properly. Now you should be able to set to get your True Tone feature back. If this video helped, don't forget to hit that like button. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll get to them soon. Thanks for watching.